So Rahul can go on with his lightning talks on cloud infrastructure.
Okay, fine. So actually this topic is not meant to be present or speak in 5 minutes, but yeah, I'll just give a brief idea what Terraform is and how we can use it to orchestrate our cloud infrastructure. So before that, how many of you know what Terraform is? I have heard it. Okay, cool. Sorry? No, not that. So Terraform, okay. So let's get started and okay. So who am I? I'm a FOSS enthusiastic. Currently I'm a DevOps engineer at SecureDB. I blog at my rahulmahale.wordpress.com and I tweet at my Twitter handle over there. So last month back, I was assigned a task to orchestrate and automate an infrastructure. So I was using Chef in it, but while building an infrastructure right from basic to push to production, I wasn't getting any tool or that could suit my need. So of course there is a cloud formation. We can use Chef provisioning. Also there is a Rundeck plugin. But I came across this Terraform and I just thought of using it in. So it is pretty young tool built by HashiCorp, the creator of Packer and Vagrant, and they have some more DevOps tools. So I'll just brief you about that, what is it, and I will show a very short demo of it since we are running short of time. So this is where I work, SecureDB. We provide as an encryption as a service. So you can catch more about SecureDB over there. So what is Terraform? An open source tool to build an infrastructure and orchestrate it by HashiCorp. So while using CloudFormation, again it is in JSON based. So I don't favor JSON or merge. I'm a CLI guy. I wanted something like to build from command line. So I prefer this one, and also there are some cool features. So provide us which infrastructure we can build using this Terraform. Of course, my need was AWS. It supports. It has very good support for AWS. But again, Azure, DigitalOcean, Google Cloud, and etc. Heroku as well. So it's a pretty young tool, around 8 months tool. It's I think it's a 0.6.3 is the current version, but I can say for my use it is production ready. I use Terraform plus Chef as an Terraform as an orchestration and Chef as a configuration management tool. So this providers, moreover it has provisionals. So after creating an infrastructure, what else you can do? So right now it provides some support for Chef. That did my work. So what I do is I develop an infrastructure, attach it to my Chef server, and from over there Chef takes a control of my infrastructure. The connection parameter file, local exec and remote exec. So you can Google the syntax. I will not speak more about it. So local exec is the thing, whatever you have to execute from your local AMI, and remote exec is the thing what you are specifying any command. We'll see the demo. So what else cool things it provides? It can give a basic diagram of your infrastructure. So right now if I'm told that please give me a sketch of our infrastructure, I have to use any tool, a basic tool, and I have to draw manually. But it can give a basic diagram as well. So let's move on to demo. So a few basic things. Terraform's what we say, Terraform has a .tf extension, and everything, any file can be named as anything, but there is only one thing called terraform.tf. This can't be renamed. Okay, fine. So let me brief you about this code. What is it? So right now what I'm doing is on AWS I'm creating an VPC, creating subnets, creating security group, and creating an instance and attaching it back to LB. I'll be getting public DNS, and then we'll be accessing our app server page from that public DNS. So this is all happening in a single command. Okay. So this is what the code looks like. It's very easy, it's readable. You can Google the syntax. So let me show. So if you do terraform help, you will get some basic commands: apply, destroy, get, graph. So apply is for executing the codes, and plan is to check what terraform will do. So we'll do terraform plan. So if any errors or something else in this our code files, it will be popped up over here in terraform plan. So let's see. Why can't I scroll up? Okay, so what terraform will do? It will create an capital. Okay. Okay, so what my code is gonna do will be listed here in terraform plan. So there are some basic things to note. Plus means it is gonna create, minus means it is gonna destroy, and green means it's gonna create, orange means it's gonna modify, and red means it's gonna then we are creating one internet gateway for VPC, route table association, one security group, subnet, and a VPC. So it says plan 8 to add, 0 to change, and 0 to destroy. So after this, if I modify my code and again do terraform plan, if I modify my security group, it will say 0 to add, 1 to change, and 0 to destroy. So let's apply this and see. So this will create first VPC, then subnets, security groups, will create instance and attach it back to ELB. This all in one command. So we can specify many things. So like tags, we can specify AMI names, anything means. Right now I'm playing it for AWS, so I'm not finding anything anything hurdle with AWS and Terraform. So it's been really a good thing for me. I have discovered on time, and but there are some things like I have mentioned that terraform.tf state file. So that tf state files, if you are working in a team and you have your repo over there, that terraform.tf state file changes after each run. So that might be a problem if you are working in a team. That may raise an merge conflicts. So to overcome that, HashiCorp has provided an tool called Atlas, but that is not open source. So if you can use that, but we can expect some workaround in the next version. As I mentioned, this is very young tool over here. So yeah, means I can't right now recommend it for production, but for me it's working and I'm finding it really cool. So we have created all the things, and now a server has been created. So we have passed a key, so it will connect through SSH and it will install Nginx in it, and it will output us in public DNS. Has happened. apt-get is running, apt-get update. Nginx is being installed. ELB has been created. So that's it. What we did, we built an app server right from the scratch. It's a basic 2-tier architecture, but it has been done. So, and it has outputted me and Terraform public DNS. I wanted, don't know, my mouse click is not working. Fine. So let's do Terraform show. So this is what we have done it right now. If we again do Terraform plan, this will list. If there is any change, it will suggest and change, else it will say no changes. Cool. So that's it. And I want to enter that public DNS, but don't know. Google Chrome. Fine. So anyways, you can check that what we say public DNS. So let me show how it destroys. Sorry. This is all. We have created an infrastructure. Now what about destroying? There is only one command called Terraform destroy, but it is very dangerous if you are into multiple environments. So there are some parameters. You can search the syntax. Oh, sorry, I forgot. Sorry. Oh no, my mouse is not working. Anyway, I will type it. Let me view it. So, okay. What happened? Architecture graph. What we did is we have used provider AWS, then VPC, central VPC, and all our security groups and ELBs pointing it out. So this is a cool thing. What work it out for me. And to destroy, I will only perform this single command, and it will destroy all my infrastructure. So before any operation, it performs an Terraform plan, and it will destroy. So it's a cool tool. There are providers available like AWS, DigitalOcean. AWS and DigitalOcean are the two which are mostly used over here, and if, you can find many GitHub repos for AWS. So yeah, that's it, man. Okay. Thank you.